everyone, this is Julie from HIFIMAX in China. Today, I'm gonna show you how the factory functions work after installing our Android screen. As you can see, this is the BMW factory manual. The iDrive works as same as before. You can see the vehicle information here and go back to the main menu. For example, you can go to multimedia, CD. The steering wheel control works as before. And you can switch the mode between the CD and radio and other mode. There are two ways to switch from factory menu to Android menu. First way, you can press this button for 3 seconds. Or another way, just touch the screen. There are also two ways to switch back to factory menu. The first way is touch the band. The second way is to touch the car or car information. As you can see, the iDrive is working on the Android menu. There are some buttons at the sideway of the screen. You can use iDrive. To do this, push the iDrive to the left-hand side. You can select the buttons at the left-hand side. And push the iDrive to the right-hand side. You can choose the functions here. And let's go to the apps. You can use the iDrive to choose any of the functions here. We can go to the music section and use iDrive to choose the music and control the volume. The steering wheel control still works. And you can use mode to choose any of the mode function: camera, Bluetooth, video. The sound comes from original speaker, so it's amazing.